Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my people. Today's topic, it's an important one. It's like breaking news. It's like serious matters. I'm hearing man like Boris is gonna put us into a second lockdown, so I had to make this video. You look, usually I don't even get videos out on a Saturday. Saturday is one of those dead days where you man are all out and about, but I had to get this video out because listen, I need you guys to hear this. We may be going into a second lockdown. Many people are going to lose out on their livelihood, their jobs, their businesses. And so, my people, my message to you is very clear. Keep your heads up. Keep your head high. And remember, I know, we know this, but it's a reminder that I have to give you, and not only you, but me as well, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one that gives us rizq. It is Allah that will give us money. And please use this time when it comes in a way where you get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as well. Subscribe to the channel, like this video as well if you haven't already, because trust me, if the lockdown does happen, if the sources are correct, then I will be making videos more and more, especially about productivity and how I am productive during the lockdown period. Having said that, my message to you, if we go into a lockdown, you guys want to start thinking about businesses, think about ways you can maybe leave your job, think about ideas. And so I want you guys to start thinking about ideas and routes you could take to leave your job eventually. And if that means you don't have the money right now, that's okay. I don't mind that. But what I'm saying is I want you guys to start thinking, you know what? 3 weeks, 4 weeks, maybe 2 months of lockdown is coming. What am I going to do to make sure that that time is as productive as I can make it? And inshallah, we'll go through it together because I'm going to struggle as well. But if we do it together, I'm sure, inshallah, we will benefit. Because maybe this time of lockdown will never come again. So, my people, share this with your family, your friends. Let's grow the family. We will benefit each other. Let's come up with more and more business ideas, which I will help you guys with. And inshallah, I will help you with productivity and more things that we could do during our free time in lockdown. I will make this a short one. Breaking news. You know what time it is. I appreciate you guys watching, supporting, and so much more. So, Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.